R is one of the most popular programming languages for statistical analysis and data visualization. In recent years, it has become an essential tool in medicine, helping researchers and healthcare professionals process large volumes of medical data and extract valuable insights. Let's explore how R is used in medicine and why it is so popular. What is the R language and why is it important for medicine? R is a programming language and environment for statistical computing and data visualization. It is widely used for data analysis, statistical modeling, and creating visualizations of results. Unlike other programming languages like Python, R was initially designed for statistical data processing, making it an ideal choice for professionals working in fields like medicine, biostatistics, and epidemiology. In medicine, R is used to analyze medical data, such as clinical trial results, genetic data, disease information, and even in bioinformatics for processing molecular data. With its powerful library of packages, R enables the creation of accurate and clear models and visualizations, making data-driven decision-making easier. R in epidemiology. In epidemiology, R is widely used to analyze the spread of diseases, assess risk factors, and predict epidemics. Public health experts use this language to analyze data on morbidity, mortality, and other population health indicators. With packages like Epitools and Survival, models can be created for survival analysis and other important health metrics. R in clinical research. R is also indispensable in clinical research. It helps analyze data from clinical trials, such as evaluating the effectiveness of new drugs or treatments. Doctors and researchers use R to process lab test results, compare treatment groups, and conduct statistical tests. Packages like clinical trials and LM help build models and analyze data to make informed decisions about patient care. R in bioinformatics. In bioinformatics, R is used to analyze genomic data, which is especially important for cancer research, genetics, and molecular biology. Specialists use R to process data on genes, proteins, and their interactions. Packages like Bioconductor and DESeq2 help analyze gene expression and other biological data, which is crucial for developing personalized treatments. Statistical modeling and prediction. One of R's strengths is its capability for complex statistical modeling. In medicine, this is particularly useful for building models that predict diseases, assess treatment effectiveness, and identify potential risk factors. A range of packages like Caret and Random Forest allow the development of machine learning models for analyzing medical data. Visualizing medical data. In addition to powerful analysis tools, R also offers excellent data visualization capabilities. Visualization plays a key role in medicine, as it helps doctors and researchers better understand complex data. Packages like ggplot2 and Plotly enable the creation of informative graphs, charts, and interactive visualizations that facilitate the interpretation of test results and research findings. How to get started with learning R for medicine. If you want to learn R for work in medicine, start with the basics. First, get familiar with the language's syntax, variables, operators, data structures, and functions. Many online courses and tutorials can help you grasp the fundamentals. After that, move on to studying specialized data analysis packages, such as dplyr for data manipulation, ggplot2 for visualization, and Survival for survival analysis. One of the best ways to learn is through practice. Try working with real medical datasets, such as open medical datasets available on platforms like Kaggle. It's also helpful to join the R user community, which actively shares knowledge and solves problems on forums like Stack Overflow and R bloggers. Regular practice and working on real projects will help you quickly master R and apply it to medicine. Why R is the best choice for medical data analysis. R provides vast opportunities for statistical analysis, large-scale data processing, and visualization, making it an excellent tool for healthcare professionals. It has an extensive ecosystem of packages specifically designed for medical and biological data. Its use in epidemiology, clinical research, and bioinformatics is already yielding real results, improving disease diagnosis, prediction, and treatment.